Here we have two lists. Let's say we want to combine these two lists into a single list of tuples like this. So we have a list where each item is a tuple. And in the first tuple, we're going to have the first element of each list. So 1 and 10. Similarly, in the second tuple, we're going to have the second element of each list. And finally, the third tuple. How can we combine these two lists into a single list like this? Well, in this case, we can use the map function or a list comprehension because both these work with a single list. But here we're combining multiple lists. To achieve this, we use the built-in zip function. So zip, look, this function takes multiple iterables and it will combine them the way I showed you. So we pass list 1 and list 2. Let's print the result on the terminal. So look, it returns a zip object, which is also iterable. So we can iterate over it or simply pass it to the built-in list function to convert it to a list. Now let me show you something cool. As you saw, this zip function takes one or more iterables. So we don't have to pass a list here. I can also pass a string like ABC and look at the result. So now our string ABC is spread across multiple tuples in this list. That's pretty powerful. If you want to achieve the same thing in other programming languages, you have to write several lines of code. But in Python, you can do it in a single line.